guys, welcome to another Stitch Fix. I am so excited about this box because I did something a little bit different and I asked my stylist for pieces outside of my comfort zone. So my last Stitch Fix card somewhere, I didn't end up keeping anything because I already had a lot of the pieces or something very similar. And so it's like, though I really like this piece, I've got something similar enough that it's like, it just doesn't make sense to pay for that. So that kind of inspired me to tell my stylist this time, okay, let's go outside of my comfort zone. I basically said, I know that I go very simple in style and pattern and stuff like that and just like have fun, go crazy. So I am excited to see what she has sent here. So hopefully there's like some crazy stuff that it would be a surprise that I actually liked. Because that's part of the point of these boxes, is getting things that you wouldn't normally pick out yourself. The point is it's like we're using stylists because they know more than we do about clothing and what might fit on us and what we might like. Now, they listen to our wants and needs, but that's just the point of the stylist. I mean, if I'm just the one always saying what I like, what I want in a box, then it's more of a shopping service than a styling service. So that's my perspective, and I think it's a nice change from the last box where I had so many similar pieces to let's go different. So anyways, Stitch Fix is a style service. You fill out a survey and then they send you, ooh, the whole thing in a bag? Okay, shoe bag. Fill out a style survey. The stylist sends you 5 pieces that they think that you like. You keep what you like, send back what you don't like, and you only pay for the stuff you keep. There's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase, and I do have a referral link below if you are interested in trying it. And this is everyone's favorite styling service. If you are interested in trying that, then I do have a referral link for you to have $20 off of your first box. So yeah, okay. So here we have, this is by Report. This is a perforated shoe with little zippers here on the side, which is cool. I like this a lot. And I don't think I have this type of shoe in this type of color. So this is something different for me, but I think I could see myself reaching for it and wearing it quite a bit in a nice casual type of way. So I'm happy with this. Next, we have the bundle. Okay, I don't see anything too wacky in here. I don't know. I kind of wanted wacky, but that's okay. Now, first of all, there is this Skies Are Blue blazer. It's kind of a berry color. It's very pretty. The lining in it, I mean, it looks like a shirt all of its own. The lining is very unique. I don't necessarily love the lining, but, you know, I wanted them to send me stuff that is different. So I'm going to call it, a blazer's not different for me. I have lots of blazers. I love blazers. This is super soft. This is nice. This is Skies Are Blue. But the inside is different. So there we go. And I did have to check and make sure that wasn't a shirt, 'cause some services will fold into pieces into one. So, okay, very interesting. Now, Paper Moon. I like Paper Moon. This is a green blouse with black polka dots on it. Does have a slightly balloon, but not too bad, and cinched here. And then this is really cool. Look at this back, this scallop draping. That is cool. I don't know that I'd call this outside my comfort zone. I'd almost call this like right up my alley because I love polka dots, I like scallops, and I like green. So that's a Jen piece. Then we have this skirt, and I'm loving these knit type of skirts. I've got one an gray and black animal print skirt that I got from, I want to say a Trendsend maybe, and I really like that. It's been a great casual summer piece for at home. This is by Renee C, and that's super cute, and I love stripes, black and gray, so super cute. Again, not really outside of my style. It's kind of like right in my wheelhouse. Does have lining. I was trying to figure out if it had shorts or lining or what it had, so again, not super crazy or anything. That's within my style, but I like it. I'm not mad at it. Then we have some shorts. This is by Judy Blue, and it is a sewn-in cuffed short distressed. It's mid-rise and like I said, yeah, distressed. So you can poke your fingers through if you so choose. So I have some white jean shorts, but I don't have any cuffed ones. So we'll see. Now, I mean, I don't really feel like this was all that crazy, but I don't know. I will read the stylist note and see what she says. But still, I like all these pieces, and it was a little bit different than what my past few boxes have been. So, okay, I'm not mad at that. And I am, however, excited to try these pieces on. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have on 2 of the 3 pieces. I pulled on the shoes. They're very comfortable. They're cute. I do like them. Now, the only downside is before I got this, I did order a very similar pair, kind of the perforated look in gray off of Nordstrom Rack. So I'll show you guys that in the summary, but I don't know, I'm probably not gonna need both of those. So most likely it won't be a keeper for that. Now the skirt, very comfortable, and it does have a drawstring waist, which is nice because I don't feel like it's quite tight enough. But I do like it. I do feel, I wouldn't want to size down because I do feel like it's like got a little bit of a pull. Well, one, you can see the pockets here pretty distinctly, and then maybe you see that? You see pockets? And I don't know, I feel like it hits in not the best of place. I don't know, it just doesn't feel like a perfect fit. I pulled out a mustard shirt because that's what the style card said, but I just pulled out of the drawer, so don't get mad at my wrinkliness. So I like both of these pieces. I'm not sure either of them are keepers, but let's keep going. Okay, so the blazer short combination is definitely a weird combination because this is a dressier blazer. To me, this is not. This is more of a wear to work dressy type blazer than a, hey, casual blazer with jeans. So I love the color of it. The fit of it is great. The feel of it is great. Just don't know that I need any more blazers like this. But I don't know. It's a great piece. I like it. Now, the shorts. I do have the shorts on. And I like them. They're a good length, I feel like. I've got plenty of extra inseam here. So my only concern is just rolled hems. I've said this probably in a million videos, but I just don't like how they lay after you wash, and I'm just not going to iron my shorts. So that's kind of the only part that I'm really, and this is like a double roll, so I can see it really kind of getting saggy and not that great, but I don't know. We'll see. It's a good fit though. I put them on and was like, okay, these feel really nice. So it'll probably just depend on what the price is for these. So, okay, last top. Okay, here is the green polka dot top, and I feel like I wish it had been in a petite. Now, like I said, this is my style, my color. I like polka dots. I don't mind the elastic sleeves on that. I think that's kind of cute. It's not like a big old fat balloon sleeve. So I'm happy with that. I just feel kind of about the fit of it. Also, the back detail, a couple things on that. One, I feel like at certain angles you can kind of see this flap from the back detail, and it's like if I don't turn around, you just kind of be staring at like what are these flaps here. Now, turning around, such a cute detail, but actually not very comfortable. Like, I'm very aware of it every time I move my arms. So, and it's got this elastic here, and I don't know why it has elastic, but it has elastic right here, and that just like, I feel it. So, not a perfect fit. It is a pretty top. I do like it more once I tucked it, but I just feel like it's a little bit annoying. So probably not going to be a keeper, but the shorts, this one I'm leaning towards being my keeper, but again, let's go over prices and we'll make our final decision. Okay, so fix number 38 for me. It's crazy to think I've had 38 of these. Also, YouTube told me I just celebrated 2 years, so yay! Thanks for hanging out with me for a couple years, folks. So let's just start at the top. This is the Paper Moon curly back detail blouse, and it is $44. Like everything about it, it doesn't feel that great. It doesn't feel that comfortable, so not gonna keep that. we have the Hannah Modal Scuba Blazer, and this is $88. I did look at myself a little bit more closely in the mirror, and I felt like it wasn't as great of a fit as I originally thought it was, so that will not be a keeper. But love the color of that. Then we have the Judy Blue Hannah Distressed Cuffed Shorts, and it is $42. I am highly considering keeping these. I'm going to try them on probably one more time and make sure that I do like them, but they were a good feel, they were comfortable, and I don't have any distressed white shorts, so I think maybe this might be a keeper, $42. Then we have the Renee C. Kaya Knit Skirt, and this is $44, and it just wasn't a perfect fit. I do like a skirt like this, and I have a couple, but when it's not a perfect fit, I'm not gonna bother to keep that. And then by Report Footwear, we have the Alexis slip-on sneaker, and it is $49. I like it, it's cute. In a separate Nordstrom haul, you'll see that I got these shoes. They are perforated as well, and they're a little bit different. I mean, or quite a bit different. I mean, they're different colors, and these have zippers here, but realistically speaking, I don't need a black and gray of a similar shoe, so I think that I'm not going to keep this. So I think the white shorts are my keeper, and I do have a little bit of credit, so thank you to those of you who used my referral link. Again, that will get you $25 off of your first box, and that link is below in the description. So guys, let's have a moment of real talk though. I am struggling a little bit with what to do and where to go with my channel. So here's the situation I'm finding myself in. This channel to me has always been twofold. I love making the videos, I love connecting with you guys, and I love shopping. So it's kind of been this threefold, but I'm finding myself in a place, and I don't know if it's just a summer clothes thing, but I'm finding myself in a place where my closet is full, and I'm very satisfied with my closet. And I'm also not leaving the house a lot. And so there's a lot of clothes that are going unused right now. And as I continue these videos, I'm accumulating more and more that I'm really not getting a chance to wear. I do wear some dress up a little bit around the house and things like that. So it's not like it's not getting used whatsoever, but it's just not getting used as much as if I were, you know, going into the office and being seen by people 5 days a week. So here I am with a full closet and kind of satisfied and not really wanting to shop for a while. But I don't want to pause my channel. I have a couple of times kind of unintentionally paused my channel as I have gotten busy. And you know, kind of when I come back, it almost feels like I'm starting over at zero. And just to be transparent, my views right now are probably worse than what they were a year ago now. And even though my subscribers have gone up, my views really have not gone up. And I attribute that to the fact that I have taken some breaks, and it's kind of, you almost have to rebuild your viewership. And so I'm hesitant to put a pause on the channel again, but I just don't really want to shop at least for a while. So, do you guys have any suggestions? I'm not the type of person on YouTube that's got a lot of interesting things to say outside of fashion. I don't have lots of great stories. I don't have much to talk about. And then the other issue is that I'm just, you know, all my videos are clothing type fashion, not really accessories, not makeup, not even lifestyle type stuff for around the house, because I'm doing what interests me. I don't really see myself making videos on topics I'm not particularly interested in. So here I am kind of stuck and not really sure where to go with my channel. So do you guys have any thoughts for me? Any solutions? I don't want to lose what I have with you guys, and I miss you guys when I have taken breaks in the past, but I also just can't see myself doing a lot of shopping here in the next couple of months. So I'd really like to pause that and take a break. Now I do have a backlog of videos, so I can keep things going for a while, but then at some point, you know, I'm gonna get caught up and then I don't know what to do. So there we are, guys. Let me know your thoughts, your feelings, and I really, really, really appreciate you guys watching. That means the world to me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below, because I do have quite a few boxes coming up, some hauls, and I don't know, lots of stuff. I got lots of stuff until I don't, because I took a break. I don't know. All right. Love you guys, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right. Bye.